Use hook and loop tab to fix video transmitter on the mainframe. Plug the power cable to the 4-pin power port and the other end to FPV port on the PCU power controller. Plug the image cable to the 6-pin image port and on the other end to the bottom of the mainframe and wait for G2P gimbal. Make 2 video transmitter signal cables through the bottom of mainframe. Turn the drone upside down and fix signal cables by zip ties and cut the extra. Before installing G2P gimbal, please plug on the 4-pin power cable and 6-pin image cable firstly. When tightening the 4 screws on G2P gimbal, make sure not to over-tighten that will affect damper function. Finish.